If you're excited to know about a good winter care, then this video is for you guys. Keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a facial review on a very famous product which is from Vedic Line Gold Facial. So I ordered this kit from Smitten and they have some amazing discounts on it. So in this kit you get 6 steps and I have already opened it. So just to show you how many steps you have on this facial kit. So this first step is for cleanser and the second one is for scrub and the third one is facial cream and fourth one is this gel and the fifth step is this pack and the last one is the serum. So without any further delay, let's get started. Clean, dust with cotton pad dipped into water. Also you can use a warm wet towel. I'm using Gold Ojas cleanser with a few drops of water just for deep cleansing, and this is a basic step for any facial. So I'm done with this cleanser and now I'm going to dip this napkin into water and just squeeze it, and I'm going to wipe my face. So after I've done face cleansing, the next step which I'm going to do is the face scrub. So I've already opened this and I'm going to just take this little bit onto my palm and so now I'm going to place this on my face all over. Onto my neck as well and just rub it. Also take some amount of water into your After the cream massage, I have washed my face. Now moving on to the next step, which is massage gel. So I'll take some product on my hand. It doesn't look like a gel, but it's a smooth texture cream, I would say, like a very light in texture. So I'm just applying it all over. Massage your face with gold Ojas massage gel for 3 to 4 minutes and let it absorb. After the gel massage, I have washed my face using water, and now I am going to do the fifth step, which is the face pack. And there is one more step which I will come back to that later. So let's do this face pack first. And it's in a liquid texture, so you don't have to use any like water or toner, you just apply directly. And it's very light, thin face pack. So I'm just applying it, and it's not even quite visible. This face pack has tiny gold particles, so I just wanted to show you guys little bit closer. It's not quite visible, but just to show you. After applying the face pack, I went for a bath, and now I am back. So as mentioned on the package, to apply a face toner, but they haven't given any kind of such product. So I'm using my own, and this one is from Good Vibes Rosehip Toner. So I'm just taking some amount on my hand first, and just to rub it, and I'm going to just dab it on my face and as well as on my neck, and just leave it to let it absorb for 2 to 3 minutes. Now the final step, I'm using this face serum. So I'm going to just take some amount on my hand, and I'll just apply it all over my face just to complete this facial steps. This is the final look after completing all steps. One more product which I wanted to review with you guys is this primer matte lipstick by Insight Makeup Essentials, and the shade is warm nude, which I ordered from Smitten. So I'm going to swatch it on my hand first. It's a nude shade, and now I'm going to apply it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know in comment box about this video. What do you think about this? And if you're looking for more such videos, do mention that as well in comment box. See you later. Bye. Take care.